Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and thank you guys for watching. So in today's video I'm back here again with another makeup video. So this time I'm going to be doing my current glam makeup routine, like kind of a tutorial of my go-to glam look. So it's kind of changed up since my last one. There's kind of been a few not new but different additions to the routine and kind of just like a different look. Before I get on with the video, please do not forget to subscribe. If you're new here, you might as well subscribe. If you're not new here, you know you've been around this track quite a few times, you might as well subscribe. But before we get into the makeup part of the video, the hairstyle that I'm gonna do with this makeup I put on my Instagram, on my Twitter, and you guys just went absolutely crazy for it. You guys loved it, I loved it. It was just a super cute hairstyle. A load of you asked for a tutorial, so that is exactly what I'm gonna do. Hopefully this comes out as good as it did the first time. I hope. I need to wash this wig. It is hella dirty, hella greasy, got loads of product in it. So you want to just carve out here, and you can literally just do that with your hand like I've just done now. You just want to carve out where you want the side swoop to be, and then you just want to kind of start to pack the hair up like so. The first thing we're gonna do is just take out where we want the swoop to be, tie this up like so, and then we're just gonna create the pony, which for me is just the hardest part. I'm gonna take my hot comb and I'm just gonna go over that like so. And now once I've done that, I'm just gonna take the straightener and straighten that out. Then we're just gonna get some mousse to make it neat. I'm gonna take that strip of hair and we're just going to pin it down. And there you have it, this hairstyle. The first thing I'm going to start off with is my trusty L'Oreal Infallible Mattifying Base Primer. I've been using this primer for way too long, but it just works for me. But if anybody has any other recommendations of good primers I can use, please do let me know. Then I'm going to go in with my Holy Grail NARS Natural Radiant Foundation in the color MACAO. You guys know how I already feel about this foundation, and I'm just going to use my beauty blender to blend it all out. Now I'm going to use my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Warm Sand, and I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend that all out. This concealer is amazing. I absolutely love it. Then I'm going to go in with another Holy Grail product, and this is my Collection Press Powder in the color Translucent, and I'm going to use that to set my under eye. So for eyeshadow, I've been loving this matte look recently, and I'm going to be using the Glow Pot Glow Harder eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to first take the brown color that I'm showing you here and put that in my crease. And then later on, I'm going to be using this cream matte color to apply that to my lid. I'm going into this darker brown color just to intensify my crease color. So I've been obsessed with doing a winged liner recently, so I'm going to be using this Rimmel London Glam Eyes liquid liner. I didn't show you guys on camera because you wouldn't be able to see properly. Then I'm using this Too Faced mascara and applying that to my natural lashes. Then I'm just going to use my beauty blender to blend out that bake underneath my eyes. Then I'm using the back of the beauty blender to blend everything out and make sure it's seamless. So then I'm just going to be using a brown eyeshadow to contour my cheeks. After which I'm going to be doing a bit of reverse contouring to snatch those cheekbones. Then I'm going to go in with a new favorite, and this is the MUA Intense Color Lip Liner, and I'm using the color Obsession, and this is a dupe for MAC Chestnut. So ladies, if you don't want to spend £16 on lip liner, then this is your friend. Then I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Sheer Brilliance Lip Gloss, and I will put the shade I use down below. And then I'm going to go in with my Holy Grail SIMANI lip gloss in the color SOSO. So then I'm going to use this Primark Eye and Face palette called Double Take, and I'm using the coral and pink colors and applying that to my cheeks. after which, to set my whole face, I'm using my MAC setting powder, and this is the Mineralized Skin Finish one, and I'm using the color medium deep, sorry, and I'm just applying that all over my face. And then I'm going to set my makeup with the Vitamin E Hydrating Mist. Guys, I'm back, and this is the finished result. Of course, it's very matte as per usual. I'm just kind of like a matte kind of girl. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Are you feeling this look? Are you not feeling this look? Do you prefer my other current glam routine? I will link all the items that I used in this video down below, so please do not forget to check that out. That is pretty much the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoy it. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. If you like this video and enjoyed it, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.